Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix blurry fonts in Windows 11, 10 enable font smoothing now. First method is change advanced system settings. Second method is change registry settings. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.